Hitachi ex200 lc2 Isuzu diesel engine. Water pump is off. Goes right there. There's one of the ports. There's the other port. See the antifreeze there. Here's the pump. So you can see the 6-bolt flange. It was leaking out of this hole right here, which is odd because it didn't have anything behind it down there, so there's something that was wrong with that. It was definitely leaking out the flange. You can see it's all wet, and at the bottom, that was like the main, that's where I could hear the pressure when I would pressurize the system. And I think that's the weep hole right there. So when the first seal goes bad, it will leak out there and not press the second one out. But it did. This has been leaking for a while. So that's what the water pump looks like. That's the heater. That's one of the heater hoses, I believe. So we'll get one of these coming, and this thing will be good to go. ex200. Over and out.